Scholar Circle was created to help students excel and connect with others. It provides a social media platform, learning tools, and access to additional resources. From the homepage, students can review news, upcoming events, and see all of their due dates at a glance. The navigation bar gives them access to the neighborhood, planner, calendar, and due dates, all of their classes, and additional resources. Let's check out the neighborhood. Similar to other social media platforms, students can see posts from others and interact with them by posting their own content. Students also have the option to privately chat with their friends. The planner allows students to add class-related events such as the class itself, lectures, and even study groups. The switch icon allows students to switch between the planner, the calendar, and the due dates. The calendar shows students an overall view of any events they've signed up for. They can also add new events. Due dates shows them all of their due dates and gives them an option to add new ones. They can sign up for notifications to be reminded of each of these items. Let's check out my classes. Within the classes, students can see a list of all their classes. They can add new ones, or they can edit the details of the classes they already have. Within Edit, they are given the option to archive or delete a class, so at the end of a semester, they can start with a fresh list of classes. Within classes, students have the option to take notes, upload notes, and review notes. Taking notes gives them the opportunity to do just that. They can organize those by chapter and unit and section. They are given the option to make their notes viewable to other students, and once they acknowledge that confirmation, they'll be taken to the review notes section. They can select the notes based on chapter and the day the notes were taken. Once within the note itself, students can highlight important sections, and they can also view only the highlighted areas. This gives them the opportunity to limit distraction with notes that weren't that important. Students can also view documents such as syllabus and other handouts by the instructor. They can input grades for various assignments so that they can get a calculated overall grade for the class. They're given access to study tools and the opportunity to receive peer feedback. Within the feedback, they can add what the assignment is and what kind of feedback they're looking for. They can attach their completed assignment and send it off for review. Let's check out the study tools. Study gives students the option to view other students' notes. They can view study guides from their school and others. They can study flashcards organized by unit and chapter. Students can further organize their flashcards by questions and vocabulary. They can view their question and click on the flashcard for the answer. They can go to the next flashcard, or they can click on chapters to go back to the list of various chapters. They can even add new flashcards. Within study, they also have the option for exercises and practice tests. The progress gives them the option to see how well they're moving forward on the exercises and tests they're taking. Most importantly, they can create, join, and view study groups that they've signed up for. If they choose to join a study group and it doesn't exist, they're given the option to create one. They can then select the date, the time, the class the study group is for, general location of where they want to have this study group. They can then click on the Google Maps icon and it'll give them a list of locations in the area. Once selecting that location, they can invite other students and add it to their planner or calendar. Once acknowledging the confirmation, they'll be taken to My Study Groups, where they can see the study groups they've signed up for and add new ones. Additional resources give students the option to view articles related to their field. They can also view local libraries with the address, website, phone number, and hours of operation. Tips for Success gives students articles that help them become a better student and study more efficiently. So that is Scholar Circle. Scholar Circle will help students live up to their full potential while providing a community of support and friendship.